In this video, we will show you how to start Windows 11 in safe mode. To start Windows 11 in safe mode, in here you can hold down your Shift key, and while you press the Shift button, you can select the Windows and restart your computers. Or in this case, you turn on your PC. You can see here, don't leave the whole Shift key. I in here pressing the Shift key button until the Windows appear in troubleshoot mode. You can see here. Okay, and in here you need to select the troubleshoot. Okay, to enter into the safe mode, and select advanced options, and in here you can select startup settings. The last, you can click restart. You can see there is enable safe mode in here. Just click restart. In here you must enter BitLocker recovery key. Just press enter to continue, and you need to input the recovery key here. After you enter the BitLocker recovery key, you can just click the enter button on your keyboard, and you can see here you can select the enable safe mode by pressing F4 key. You can see you can use the number keys of function F1 until F9. So in here we need to select F4. After that, you can see you are successfully logged in safe mode on the Windows 11. The safe mode using low resolution like this, and there are safe mode label in here. And that's all tutorial how to log in Windows 11 in safe mode. Hope this video helpful for you.